Alright, this is a quick tutorial on how to set up BeFrugal. Just go to the link that I'm showing on the screen or click the thing in the description and you'll be good. So enter your email address. So I am using fake information, of course, as always, but you're going to use your real information. So paste that, join with email, and then they want a password. I am reusing my password. You are not. You are creating a new one using the methods that I've shown you, and then I don't need them to spam the email, so we'll uncheck that and then hit join. Excellent. Okay. Blah, blah, blah. They have a Chrome extension. We don't care because we just need to get this info and then pass it through to RBShip. Let's see. Do we have an email yet from them to confirm? I don't see it. Okay. Let's go to my account and profile. Now, my thought here is the more filled out and legit that you make this look, then the less likely they are to ban you right off. So you can add a number, you can, do all this stuff, but you also want to make sure that it's like real info because if they lock this account down and stuff, you still want to be able to get your money. So I'm just going to use this fake stuff because it doesn't matter for me. I'm not going to do that. Where's my birthday? April 24th. Save. I'm not going to connect these, but I might as well connect a Google account. That's fine. Make it more legit. Right here. Excellent. And then address. So actually, I'm not even going to bother filling this out because it's easy and you can do it. But first name, last name, address, zip code, country, blah, blah, blah. Save all this stuff. And cashback and bonuses. Let me see. I think there are a couple other little things here. Just for signing up, you get $10, which is nice. And then, let's see. It's not there. It's account summary. Yeah, so I think you want to like heart some stores that you might be using. So let's do Amazon. That's really the only one, but I'll just like add Walmart and Home Depot and Sears as well. Why not? Payments. Okay, cool. And then let's come here, and then you just want to add this. You can have them mail you a check, direct deposit to your bank, or PayPal. PayPal's pretty simple, so that's usually what I just use. But then notice they also have other stuff here. So if you're like planning on you want to get a gift card or something like that, you can do that as well. Email subscriptions, none of those matter because we don't want emails. Sport tickets don't matter. So yeah, that's pretty much how you create an account at BeFrugal. And then the only thing that you have to do to start getting cash back with this is you go to your RBShip account, log in, click the cash back tab like I showed in the RBShip setup tutorial, and you just paste your login username and password for BeFrugal, and that keeps it like all starred out, I believe, if I'm remembering correctly, so your VAs like can't really have access to it. And you just, would save this in a folder that is not the shared folder because they don't really need access to that. So yeah, that's how you set that up. Anyway, guys, that's it for this video. If you're new to dropshipping and you're trying to figure out how to get started, I've got a full free set of training videos down there, link in the description. It goes over everything you need to know about how to get started making money online. And the average person following my method makes around $500 to $800 profit per month after expenses for each 1,000-item eBay store that they have set up and running. They're really not that hard to get started. If you've got any questions about anything dropshipping related, feel free to hit me up on Facebook. I'll put a link down there, as well as a link to a group that I started with hundreds of other dropshippers that you can join. I post new content on this channel every couple days, so go ahead and subscribe and click the notifications, and I'll see you back here with another video in a couple days.